Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Capricorns for the month of September. This is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. And sorry for the background noise. It's raining heavily over here. Okay, so I hope you don't mind and you're able to listen my voice very clearly. So let's start. Let's see what's going to happen for Capricorns in their love life in the month of September. I don't know why I said August. In the month of September, what's going to happen for Capricorns? Let's see. What's happening for Capricorns in the month of September? In the month of September. In the month of September, what's happening for Capricorns? Capricorns in the month of September. Okay, first one is Seven of Wands. You might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag. We have the Chariot. Okay. The next one is the High Priestess. What more do we have? What more do we have for Capricorns in their love life? The Empress. And next one is Five of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. And the Hanged Man, Pisces energy. So you might be dealing with these signs, and the bottom of the deck is the Tower. You might be also dealing with a Scorpio. So what's happening here is, let me close my window. Please wait a moment so you can hear properly. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is, in the month of September, the person you are dealing with, you will be very attracted to them. There is a lot of attraction, okay, either from your person's side or from your side. Someone will be very attracted, or maybe your person will be attracted to you, is what I'm seeing here. I'm also seeing you will be in your power. You will feel very powerful, or the person you're dealing with, you will see them coming off as very powerful. They will not give up easily. They will not indulge into anything, like they will not trust you easily, okay, or maybe you're not going to trust someone easily. I'm seeing you coming into your own power, being very powerful while taking any decision, or maybe indulging into a relationship or trusting the other person. I'm also seeing you might find it difficult to connect to a person. Maybe they have blocked you, or maybe they are not responding to you, or quite possible. I'm definitely feeling your person is becoming quite powerful. Whomsoever you are dealing with, they are becoming quite powerful. They are not trusting you easily. They are not trusting things easily, and you might find it very difficult to handle or connect to this person. Okay, you might feel as if this person is not easy to, get along. Maybe they are not responding you in the month of September. Things not quite going well with this person, but whatsoever, things will be moving. You will see movement in a situation which was stagnant from a very long time. Things will be moving forward. You will see victory coming in for you, whomsoever you are dealing with. If the things were stagnant in the past, you will see them going forward. You will see movement in whatsoever you are stuck. If there is any stuck energy, you will see movement in the month of September. Definitely you're feeling stuck, or maybe your person and your connection is stuck. Things are not quite moving smoothly, is what I'm seeing here. Okay, you might be specifically dealing with a Pisces. I'm seeing here your person, yeah, definitely they are coming into their power, or you are having that wisdom, having that, you will feel very powerful. You will feel as if things are under your control. You are the one who are in control of things. There is a lot of attraction, sexual attraction, which I'm feeling and seeing through these cards. Definitely a lot of sexual attraction. You will be drawn to the person you love. There will be a lot of magnetic pull towards this person. I'm also feeling there are obstacles, there are challenges. This is a very testing period for all of you. The September month is going to be very testing period for you. You are going to feel challenges. People are being coming in your way, making things quite hard for you. See, bottom of the deck is Tower. So I think you are coming out of a very big disaster. You are coming out of a very big relationship disaster. Maybe things were not going quite well and smooth for both of you. This is what I'm seeing here. Okay, Scorpion energy, heavy Scorpion energy, and now you will see things quite moving forward in the month of September. See, there is passion. You want to take action. You are planning, or maybe the person you're dealing with, they are planning something. They are having passion for you, and when passion is there, things can be taken forward. Things have scope of moving forward. See, someone is not trusting the other person. There is dishonesty. Disloyal person. You might be also dealing with a person who is disloyal, not quite loyal with you. Spying energy. I'm seeing a lot of spy. Your person might spy you in the month of September. They have an eye on you, what you're doing, what you're up to, and definitely I see someone of you are waiting for someone. Maybe you're waiting for someone to come and initiate something, or maybe someone is expecting you to initiate something. See, things are quite hopeful. Star card is here in the bottom of deck. So yeah, that is what I'm seeing here. Let's see, what advice do we have for you? What advice do we have for, I won't use this one, I want to use Moonology Oracle as an advice cards for you guys. Let's see. Someone is waiting on to you. Someone is waiting for you to understand how they felt when you ignored them, or maybe you are waiting for someone to take the initiative. Someone is definitely waiting in this scenario. Okay, let's see what advice do we have from the oracles for the Capricorn. What advice do we have for the Capricorn? Okay, new moon in Cancer. You and your loved ones are safe. So you and your loved ones, your partner, your family, whomsoever, your friends, they are safe, they are protected. Okay, what more do we have? Okay, the card is the new moon in Libra. You might be also dealing with a Libra or a Cancer. A new romantic cycle begins. So there is a new beginning in your love life. There will be reconciliation, or maybe a whole new person will be coming in your life to stir your romantic feelings, is what I'm seeing here. Okay, quite glad if you get someone you love. I'm quite glad and happy that you will be finding your true love. Let's see what handwritten advices we have for Capricorns. What handwritten advices do we have? Okay, new beginnings. I told you, a brand new romantic cycle and a brand new beginning is on the horizon for you guys, for Capricorns. What more do we have? 1-5-6 months. Someone will be connecting after 1-5-6 months, or January, May and June are quite significant months for you. Family issues. See, 5 of Wands. Maybe family issues were keeping you both away from each other. What more do we have? Okay, reconciliation, a new cycle begins. Definitely reunion is on the horizon. What more do we have for Capricorns? What more do we have for Capricorns? Yeah, good news is coming. It can be in any aspect of your life. Okay, so this was it for Capricorns. I hope you like this reading. Be hopeful, be positive, and things will fall into place. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.